Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you're on FiveM and you keep on getting the message awaiting scripts, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually remove that and fix your account. So let's dive in. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight in. The first thing we need to do is clear your server cache. So delete the entire cache folder from your server directory, and then you need to perform a full restart to eliminate stuck resources. You need to then analyze your console logs, review your server console for any error messages, and identify scripts causing hangs, such as this one here, that are issued. Then you need to fix your resource order. Ensure that this extension appears before this extension in your server.cfg file. You then need to utilize the txadmin profiler commands to detect slow performing or faulty scripts affecting your load times, and then optimize your hardware. Verify that your server meets the requirements of a quad-core 3.5 GHz CPU, 8 GB RAM, which is a minimum, and SSD storage with a stable internet connection. Perform a full server restart, not just a resource restart, after implementing all of these fixes, and you should be good to go.